Hello TEQ crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will share the technical analysis of the VeChain coin with you. Looking at the chart, we can say that the price movements are currently within a triangle pattern. Additionally, shortly, we will see another small triangle on the 4-hour chart. So, keep watching the video, friends. If we look at the current price movements, we can say that it is showing a movement around the level of $0.1940. When we look back in history, we can say that there is a support and resistance zone that goes back a long way. Moreover, in terms of price movements, it is normal to expect an uptrend after this zone because we have an ascending trend channel. We have a trend here, holding onto the upward trend. Secondly, we can say that the price movements are currently being held at this support zone. Because this support zone worked as resistance in the past, and the price movements first dipped below it and then broke above it in an upward direction, so we see a pullback in this area in retrospect. Therefore, we can say that the price movements can currently be at these levels and can exhibit an upward movement from these levels. In addition, since the ascending trend in the past has been broken downwards, we can interpret this area as a long-term resistance zone as well. Let's keep that in mind. Finally, the upward break of the orange line is important for us. Because, friends, this downward trend has been going on for a long time, approximately since March 20th, and along with that, we can say that it has reached very low levels, especially considering that the crypto market is currently in a bad time period. After these breakouts occur, and once the crypto market recovers, we can say that we can achieve much better gains. Let's mention that here. If we slowly start our analysis from our indicators, we have opened our Fisher indicator. Friends, Fisher gives us a buy signal around May 13th, and the price has been somewhat increasing since that date. As we mentioned, there is no clear upward movement due to the consolidation within the triangle. However, a noticeable increase has occurred after the breakout. We can say that there has been an approximate 2% increase. Additionally, there hasn't been a breakout in Fisher yet. If there is no downward breakout, we can expect an upward movement in the price. We can mention that here. After closing our Fisher indicator, let's look at our next indicator, which is the RSI indicator. RSI is showing a movement from the 30 level towards the 50 level, and it is currently around the 40 level, continuing its movement. In fact, friends, having RSI around the 40 level is somewhat good. It is close to the 50 level, so it is positioned near the middle, close to the 30 level as well. If RSI goes towards the 50 level, especially if it breaks above the 50 level in an upward direction, it can be interpreted as the beginning of a nice upward trend. Therefore, we can say that it may be beneficial to follow RSI. Of course, from this point, it can also drop to the 30 level. In such a case, we can say that there may be a decrease in price movements. In other words, the upward trend may drop back to the support zone. So, one should be cautious. After closing our RSI indicator, let's finally look at our WAVA trend indicator. If we look at WAVA trend, friends, it gives us a buy signal by creating a breakout in a nice zone. That is around May 14th. Actually, we can say that it created a breakout at a similar point to Fisher. Although the momentum is currently consolidating, friends, according to the participation in this triangle, we can actually expect an upward movement in price. If we make a similar interpretation to Fisher, if there is no downward breakout, we can expect an upward movement in price. Let's mention that here. After closing the WAVA trend indicator, let's switch to a 4-hour time frame and share our analysis for the 4-hour period. If we look at the chart right now, friends, we see a triangle formation. I already shared this with you at the beginning of the video. I mentioned that it is moving within this triangle. Whichever direction the price and the triangle break, we will see an upward or downward movement in price. We can mention that here. Additionally, friends, if we look at our RSI indicator, we can say that there is a small divergence. The price is dropping from the top while the RSI peaks are rising, and this is actually interpreted as a negative divergence and signals a decrease in price. Not every signal in technical analysis works, so we need to be careful, friends. For example, if this triangle breaks downward, we can see that the divergence here is working. If it breaks upward, we can say that the triangle is not affected by the divergence. Let's mention that here. So, whether it's a coin or gold, it doesn't matter. In a point where technical analysis works, it will be more accurate for us to confirm with different technical indicators before opening a buy or sell position. Let's mention that here, and let's slowly come to the end of your video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of the VeChain coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. To stay informed about future videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.